When it comes to choosing a VPN, ZenMate is one of the options that stands out. But before you decide if it's the right choice for you, there are 12 things you need to know. Let's dive in and see how ZenMate stacks up against the competition. First up, ZenMate offers a user-friendly interface, which is one of the reasons it's so appealing, especially to beginners. Whether you're new to VPNs or experienced, ZenMate makes it easy to set up and navigate. Next thing, it's worth mentioning ZenMate's wide range of server locations. With over 70 locations across the globe, it provides decent coverage. However, when compared to premium VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, which offer more locations and better speeds, ZenMate falls short in this area. The third thing you should know is about ZenMate's speed performance. While it does a decent job, it's not the fastest VPN on the market. Compared to top-tier services, its speeds can be slower, which might impact streaming or browsing, especially on high-demand tasks like gaming or HD video streaming. The fourth thing is its pricing. ZenMate is priced lower than many premium VPNs, making it a good budget option. You get quite a lot for the price, but it's important to remember that you might be sacrificing some advanced features for that affordability. Next thing to consider is ZenMate's security features. It provides AES 256 encryption, which is the industry standard, but it lacks some advanced options like double encryption or a kill switch, features you'll find in higher-end VPNs like NordVPN or ProtonVPN. The sixth thing to know is ZenMate's compatibility. It works well with major devices like Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, but it doesn't have as many options as other VPNs, like router support or browser extensions in all versions, which can be a limitation if you need that extra flexibility. The seventh thing worth mentioning is ZenMate's no logs policy. It states that it doesn't keep any logs of your activity, which is great for privacy. However, it's based in Germany, which is part of the 14 Eyes Alliance. While they claim to have a no logs policy, the country's laws could theoretically pose a risk to privacy. The eighth thing to keep in mind is its customer support. ZenMate offers 24/7 live chat support, but their response times can be slow, especially during peak hours. For more immediate assistance, competitors like ExpressVPN have better reputation for fast, helpful responses. The ninth thing is that ZenMate works well for streaming, but not consistently. While it can unblock platforms like Netflix and Hulu, it has trouble with some geo-restricted content. On the other hand, services like Surfshark or NordVPN have a better track record of unblocking content globally. Next up, let's talk about the free plan. ZenMate offers a limited free version with access to fewer server locations. While it's a great way to test the service, it's not enough for serious use. If you want the full experience, you'll need to upgrade. The 11th thing is ZenMate's automatic Wi-Fi protection, which is a useful feature if you're often on public Wi-Fi. It automatically activates the VPN when you connect to unsecured networks, but other premium services have even more advanced automatic features. Finally, the 12th thing is ZenMate's overall value. It's a solid VPN at a low price, but if you're looking for higher speeds, more servers, and better features, it may not be the best fit. It's a good option if you're on a budget, but if you want a more reliable, feature-rich VPN, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.